Hi guys, I'm here with the unboxing of the Oppo K1. I literally just got the phone. I'm super excited about it, and yeah, I'm gonna make this a short one, just see what's what. Here we have the SIM ejector kit. These papers, I really don't know why they put it there, and a clear cover for the phone. You know, these do tend to get yellow after a while, but it's good to have them here. I'm gonna leave the phone here for a bit. Apart from that, there is the charger. I don't know if it's a fast charge one, but we'll test that later on. And the cable. The one downside to this phone, actually, for me, there is no Type-C cable, and it's a bit awkward for a phone in 2018, but they had to cut the costs at some point. But at last, here is the phone. Phone I've been eager to get my hands on ever since they announced it, actually. And I'm super excited. My hands are actually shaking. I've been waiting for this. Oh, I accidentally turned it on. As you can see, oh my god, it looks quite staggering, I mean. And it's already on. Good. So it's fast too. The build quality, first hand, it just feels so nice to hold. And yeah, what the hell is going on here? Let's put it on English. I have no idea what this is, but yeah, it looks really good. But as you can see, being a back glass panel, it's gonna be full of fingerprints, so you gotta clean it every now and then. And yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, here's the teardrop notch. The display looks fantastic, I have to be honest. I'm gonna set up the phone for a while, and then we'll get back. Okay, I have connected to Wi-Fi. Let's see how the fingerprint sensor works. I'm gonna have to take it away so you guys can see my password. There we go. I'm not gonna do the facial one for now. Let's do the fingerprint. It's a bit slower than fingerprints on Xiaomi's or Huawei's. You know, they take around like 2 minutes to, I mean, like 10 seconds to set up, but being an under display fingerprint reader, guess we could. Okay, all done. And let's see. All of this are okay. I'm gonna skip this for now. And come on, just be done with. Here we go. The Oppo K1. Well, display looks sharp. The colors are great. And well, you can see the gestures and navigation gestures are here as well. I don't know what that is, but I don't want it right now. The camera seems... I'm gonna test that later on. And yeah, that's it. First looks, it looks fantastic. Oh, the fingerprint. Yeah, as you can see, it's a bit slow, but I mean, it's slower compared to the normal fingerprint reader, but it's really cool to have such a futuristic feature on a phone at this price. Okay, so it's gonna take some getting used to in terms of how fast I can remove my finger and all, but yeah, it's really cool to have it. Anyway, I will probably post a proper review soon as I use the phone for a while, you know, see what's what. But that's it for now. This was the unboxing of Oppo K1. Hope you enjoyed it.